Go hard, but I could go soft. This song right shit deserves Tim McGraw. Go hard, but I could go soft. This song right shit deserves Tim McGraw. Go hard, but I could go soft. This song right here deserves Tim McGraw. They got egg hard, knowing they got a soft side. Took them south, now I'ma take it north side. I'm talking way different from the flow side. Went from inbound to straight outside. Baby, I could go higher than rap. With my ambition, I could go higher than that. And I ain't just speaking, I'm just stating the fact. I know I'm running through your mind like 100 laps. On the road, ain't no telling when I'm coming back. Don't really matter where it ends at. You just gotta live a life drives you like a chauffeur. I sip clear and above while you sip contour. You on my other style, other than Christian Dior. Wanna be in other magazines beside the source. Explore yourself rather than stand in one section. Don't worry about the others, your mind is a secure weapon. With that, you will remain impressive. Can't deny nothing, cause you's an exception. Go hard, but I could go soft. This song right here deserves Tim McGraw. Go hard, but I could go soft. This song right here deserves Tim McGraw. Go hard, but I could go soft. This song right here deserves Tim McGraw. Girl, in my world, I had you lost. Me and you could have a quick start. Meant for each other if we got convo spark. Look at us, we condo sharp. Go inside you like 1,000 miles. I murdered a twat. Man, I gotta go to trial. I can't get dirty like flagrant foul. All you could do is smile. You so travel you could chill by the beach. In the front park, got them courtside seats. Later we could sit and enjoy the feast. Then we could watch whatever team go against the heat. Go good together, we on a winning streak. I make you feel good and so special. I bring power to your house like a receptacle. You sexy and you healthy like some vegetable. You got a good spirit, I just can't let you go. You turn me on when you wasn't fitted tight. A fitted jeans make that vision come to life. You see me, she done leaped twice. Sent from upper ground, you an angel. Now we known well like the Star Spangled. Go hard, but I could go soft. This song right here deserves Tim McGraw. Go hard, but I could go soft. This song right here deserves Tim McGraw. Stop tripping, saying you don't never see me, knowing I be on and off like HD TV. We both keep it real, guess you could call us neat freaks. Our relationship ain't rated PG. Days with you is wonderful. We stay hot like days in the summer do. Top back, let's take a summer cruise. I ain't going nowhere like the rest of them dudes. Let's have this moment to us. No walks, no candles, just touching and grabbing. Now that's my hand show. No romantic unless it's somebody you really love. That's a note to a gentleman who ain't found a heart plug. But girl, you already know what's up. If you the right one, I'll let you move in the spot. And from there, I will not stop. Put some stacks in hand in your deposit box. Then go to the mall and get some of the best rock. With me, you gonna be alright. This your main man. Welcome to my south side. Go hard, but I could go soft. This song right here deserves Tim McGraw. Go hard, but I could go soft. This song right here deserves Tim McGraw. Go hard, but I could go soft. This song right here deserves Tim McGraw.